If you still don't know what to wish for Christmas or for your birthday and you're a Miraculous fan, this is the perfect video for you. I will show you the best Miraculous merch and tell you where to find it. They are also linked below. The first website is Amazon, where you can find almost all Miraculous merch. My favorite are the Miraballs, which are surprise plush kwamis. I love how squishy they are. But there are also surprise kwami figures if you like figures more. There are dolls of many heroes, Playmobil and other cool things. For the gamers there is also a video game. Then you can buy almost all of the Miraculous. They are actually from Zagstore as well as the notebooks and a few other things. But they are also available here on Amazon. And shipping is cheaper from here too. A few things that are only available in the Zagstore: art figures, home items and other accessories. The last website is Star Cutouts, where you can find cardboard figures of the heroes in human size. Everything is linked below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye.